Yo, what's good, guys? What's good, guys? And in this video, I want to talk about the importance of dreams and what it's done for me personally. Okay, so dreams have literally saved my life because it has aligned my chakras due to doing threat analysis. Okay, so let me tell you this story. So I was this is real life, not the dream. So where I live, a mechanic tried to rip me off. Okay, long story short, and I lost my temper. And I'm not someone to lose my temper a lot, but when I do, I completely go ape. And the thing is, obviously, I'm a Pisces, but my moon is in Aries, so the polarity between being very calm and losing it is very far away. So it's very polarized. So I can be super chill, super calm, and then next minute, you get me, it's a different person, it's a different part of me. So I've lost it now. The whole street's watching, and things have happened. And long story short, the police were called and I had to bounce. So I got back to yard, and my girlfriend's, my wife, she's found out what's happened. We've gone back there afterwards, and it's calmed down. Now, boom, nothing happened from this, luckily, but I lost myself in the sense of my presence of mind was gone. And things like this used to happen a lot in my earlier years, and I had to learn the hard way from the consequences of this. Now, Thailand is not my home, so the rules is different. I can't just be losing my temper like that. And later that week, I had a dream that I was in prison. I had a dream that I was in prison, and my wife was watching me. My son was there watching me, and she was like, "Don't worry, I'm gonna look after the boy." I'm like, "What do you mean? Like, I'm still stuck here, you know what I mean?" So I had that dream, felt really real. And when I woke up, I was grateful to not be in a prison cell. But what this dream did also, it aligned my chakras, because I had an overactive root chakra. Okay, my root chakra was overactive. I felt too safe, I felt too grounded, I felt above the law, I felt like this is my home, it is my home, but it was too overactive, and I forgot myself. So just by having this dream, it aligned my chakras. It aligned my root chakra. Okay, so dreams can align your chakras if you are able to decode them. Now, that's one perspective of dreams. Now, dreams can also predict the future, okay? It can also give you retrospect, but it can also predict the future. And this is all about quantum physics and things like this. I love this, So I had a dream that there was smoke coming out of my laptop, okay? And it really got me scared, because I thought, damn, like, I need this laptop to work. That can't be happening. I hope this doesn't manifest into something. But that dream was actually inverted to be that my exhaust pipe was smoking. So I had to go fix that. So I got told inadvertently that I need to maintain my valuables, okay, my possessions. So I dream journal, so I know exactly why my dream, like, if my dreams make sense, I'll journal it. If it's completely random, it's probably because I was doing a lot of random things. So sometimes your subconscious can pick up things before you've even picked it up. And I say this because my friend told me there was something wrong with my bike, but I never looked behind to actually see if there was anything wrong with my exhaust pipe. Okay, but your brain or my subconscious picked it up. There was something wrong with my exhaust pipe. Did I see it? Did I see it visually? Possibly. But my conscious did not see it. My conscious did not see it. But my subconscious did. Okay? That's why symbolism and sigils are so important, because they can tell you things that your conscious don't pick up. Okay? And that's it really. My phone battery is on low. So I'm gonna keep it short, but I will dive deeper into it. But this is it. Listen to your dreams. It tells you things that your conscious doesn't, okay? And if you like these videos, you know what to do, man. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know if you're messing with these videos, man. So yeah, just do that and hit the like. It really helps the algorithm, for real. I didn't believe that. I thought YouTube content creators were actually just saying it for the sake of it, but it actually does help the algorithm. So if you can do that, please do that and let more people see what's going on here. I want people to, listen to their inner self and learn that dreams, your life is not random, okay? And there's a way to hack this. Now, with that being said, peace.